So guys, welcome to my channel, Manyibe Frogs. That is the name of my channel. Please, if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. And for those who have subscribed, I really want to say thank you. I really want to appreciate you. I'm very much grateful for subscribing to my channel. Please guys, for those who have not subscribed, please subscribe, share, comment down there. Let me see your comments. So guys, today you can see the weather is good. You can see guys, the weather is really good. There is some sun today. I can say today the weather is so cool. So guys, today I really want to take you through this red hot chili pepper. This is the red chili pepper. So guys, today I'm going to give 6 health benefits of red hot chili pepper. So guys, welcome, join me as I'm going to give you the benefits, the reason why you should take this red hot chili pepper. There are more than 20 types of chili peppers, but in our compound, this is what we have, red hot chili pepper. This is it in our compound. So guys, I'm going to give you 6 health benefits of red hot chili pepper. So guys, number 1, it is the one which helps. It is the one which boosts our immune system. By that, I mean it is the one which is helps in fighting the colds, flu, and fungi infections. That is number 1. So guys, it's the one that helps us to fight the flu, colds, and fungal infections. This red hot chili pepper. So guys, it's good for you to take it regularly. Number 2 benefits of red hot pepper. It is to help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. So guys, those people who are suffering from type 2 diabetes, this red hot chili pepper, it helps to reduce that risk of getting type 2 diabetes. So guys, it is good for diabetic people of type 2. That is the second one. Number 3 guys, it is good for you, for your health, so that it improves the eye health. If you take it seriously or regularly, you are on the safe side of eye health. It keeps our eyes healthy. So guys, it it is good for eye health. It makes our eyes to be healthy, to see well. So guys, it is good to take it uh, regularly for our own health of eyes. Four, it promotes the growth of red blood cells. So guys, our red blood cells growth, you have to take this red hot chili pepper so that it helps our red blood cells to grow. That's what I mean, anemia and fatigue. So guys, take this seriously, regularly in our body because it has a lot of use. Number five, it prevents from getting allergies. So guys, this when you take this, it prevents you from getting allergies. So guys, if you have allergies, you can take them regularly. But if you don't have allergies, this one is the one. This is the best for you, so that you can't get allergies because which means it prevents, and prevention is better than cure. So guys, don't wait to have allergies so that you can take this. So it is good for you to take this so that it can prevent you from allergies. Finally, guys, this red hot chili pepper, it reduces cancer risk. So guys, it is good for you to take it before cancer attacks you, because if you take it, those chances of you getting cancer, they are rare. They are they are small because it is the one which reduces cancer risks. So guys, that is what I have for today, because uh, when I was looking the benefits, the work of this red chill paper, and I saw it in our compound, I thought it is good for you to know the work of red chili pepper, red hot chili pepper, and you can take it for yourself even though it is hot, but it helps. It has a lot of benefits in our body, which keeps our body healthy. So guys, this is good. You take it for yourself, and it will help you as well, because like me, I always take it almost daily, and I'm going to take this smaller. I want to take this for today. So guys, this is I'm going to take this for today. So guys, if you are if you have some, you can take it to for your health purposes. So guys, uh, if you are watching this video, please subscribe, share, comment down there, Let me see your comments down there, guys. Some want to look for, some want to prepare more videos, and after this coming, please, guys, share, comment, subscribe. I'm rolling to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Let us reach 1,000 subscribers before the end of this month, and I would really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much, and God bless you.